Demi Lovato is a singer, songwriter, and actress from America who first appeared in the children's series Barney and Friends before releasing her debut album Do Not Forget and her debut movie Camp Rock. Early life. Demetria Devon Lovato was born in Albuquerque City in New Mexico, United States on August 20, 1992. Her father Patrick Lovato was an engineer and a musician, but he died because of cancer in 2013. And her mother Diana Hart was born in Dallas and used to be one of the Cowboys cheerleaders. Demi Lovato has one sister. Her name is Dallas Lovato, and she is currently an actress, kind of new to the TV industry. Her parents got divorced in 1994 and she has two other step-sisters, actress Madison De La Garza and Amber Lovato. Demi Lovato was grown and raised in her mom's hometown, Dallas. She attended a school but then went to homeschooling as she admitted once that she was totally bullied at a school. Demi Lovato also took some acting and dancing classes. Personal life. For her relationships and dating life history, Demi Lovato has been into many of both. She had some time with the actor and singer Cody Linley, musician Trace Cross, and with the singer and actor Joe Jones. Demi Lovato's most publicly known and longest relationship was with a singer, actor, producer, and TV personality, William Valderrama. They were together for like 6 years, ending in 2016. Her most recent relationships were with the Brazilian wrestler Guilherme Vasconcelos and with the material artist Luke Rockhold. Demi Lovato rumors say that she is dating the DJ producer Lauren Abedini. Age, height and weight. Being born on 20 August 1992, Demi Lovato is a 29-year-old as of today's date, 13th November 2021. Her height is 1.61 meter tall and her weight is 62 kg in kilograms. Career. Demi Lovato began playing the guitar and the piano before her 10th birthday. Her first TV work was in the children's series Barney and Friends in 2002. Demi Lovato's debut movie is the 2008 music and comedy titled Camp Rock. and she also starred in its second sequel, Camp Rock 2: The Final Jam. Awards and achievements. As she is very loved by her fans, Demi Lovato has received more than 200 award nominations and winnings. She has won 14 Teen Choice Awards, 5 People's Choice Awards, 3 Radio Disney Music Awards, and others. The most recent award that Demi Lovato won is the 2017 Nickelodeon's Brazil Kids Choice Award for Favorite International Music Video, Sorry Not Sorry. Net worth and salary of Demi Lovato in 2021. As of November 2021, the estimated net worth of the singer and actress Demi Lovato is $40 million. She made her tens of millions from the albums and singles she releases, sales and performers, and from the TV work she does. Demi Lovato earned more than $3 million for her debut album and more than $9 million for Here We Go Again album and from the tour that she went on during the period. Demi Lovato's salary of The X Factor was around $4 million for both seasons. Demi Lovato is one of the most loved singers who has a huggy teenage audience base. She has released 6 studio albums so far, and they were all ranked on top charts in the US and other countries. Demi Lovato's residence is based in Los Angeles.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.